In today's video, we will try to learn how to create payheads. For this, we know there are multiple payheads are to be paid, like like basic, like house rent allowance, dearness allowance, convenience, overtime pay, variable pay, employees provident fund, professional tax, gratitude, etc. For today's video, we will try to make the pay of basic, and the next one, which is dearness allowance. So first come here, get your tally, then go with create, then select payheads under payroll master. First of all, you have to activate payroll masters. You can see the video from our description, and then you can see the payroll masters here. Then select payheads. Now you can create payheads. For this basic, we have to name the at basic. Nothing, end of the list. Payhead type will be the earning for employees, and income type will be the fixed. Under will be the indirect expenses, because basic will be the indirect expenses. So indirect expenses. Then affect net salary, yes. Then name of the displayed basic payslip basic, used for calculation gratitude, it will be yes. Set alter income tax details, it will be also yes. Then press enter. Here you can see the income tax details. We have to put income tax details. First, income tax component will be the basic salary, so I'll select basic salary from here. Then tax calculation basis will be on actual value, so I'll select actual value, and deduct TDS across this. You can made it yes, or otherwise made it no. If you made it yes, press enter, then press enter again. So you can see calculation type as user defined value, or you can select whichever you want. So I want to select it as user defined value, so I'll select this, press enter. You can put opening balance if you have. I don't have any opening balance, so I'll just press enter and accept yes. For dearness allowance, so I'll put the name dearness allowance. End of the list. Paid earnings to employee, earnings for employee. Income type, it will be fixed. Under will be indirect expenses. Then affect net salary, it will be yes. Name and dearness allowance, and used for calculation and gratitude, it will be no, or it will be yes. And set all our income tax details, it also be yes. Press enter. You can select, you can see the window income tax detail. Income tax component will be set here, which is sorry here I have to select the DEARNESS allowance from here. Sorry for this disturbance. Tax calculation basis, it will be on actual value. TDS will be deducted across the period, yes. And user defined, I want to select this, so I'll press enter. And if you want to change it, you can change it here, otherwise press enter, accept yes. The DEARNESS allowance creation is complete. In our next video, we will try to learn how to create house rent allowance, how to create convenience, overtime pay, and etc. All these things in our next videos. So this is for today. Thank you for watching.